How did urbanization fuel beer demand in the Industrial Revolution? Imagine a world shifting from small villages to bustling cities almost overnight. This was the essence of the Industrial Revolution, and it changed everything, including how people drank beer. As cities grew rapidly, so did the number of factory workers living there. These workers needed a drink that was affordable, easy to get, and could keep them going through long work hours. Beer fit that bill perfectly. It was nutritious, providing calories and hydration, especially important for laborers working in tough conditions. When people moved into crowded urban areas, they started frequenting taverns and pubs more often, turning beer into a social staple. With more people in cities, breweries saw a chance to produce beer on a much larger scale. New technologies like steam-powered machinery made brewing faster and cheaper. Breweries began to cluster in cities because it was easier to supply them with raw materials like malt, hops, and water. Transportation also improved with the expansion of canals, railways, and roads, making it simple to move ingredients into breweries and deliver beer to thirsty city dwellers. This meant breweries could produce more beer and reach more customers without delays or high costs. As wages increased for factory workers, their disposable income grew. This meant more money to spend on leisure activities, including drinking beer. Beer became part of everyday life, whether at work breaks, social gatherings, or after a long day in the factory. Public spaces like taverns and beer gardens popped up all over cities, becoming social hubs for workers and their families. These places made beer more accessible and popular, reinforcing its role in urban culture. The competitive environment in cities pushed breweries to grow bigger and more efficient. Larger breweries could produce beer at a lower cost and keep up with the high demand. They also started to consolidate, creating bigger brands that dominated the market. This shift from small local brewers to large industrial breweries helped make beer a mass-produced product, available to a broad audience. In short, urbanization created the perfect storm for beer to flourish. It brought together a growing population with more disposable income, technological advances in brewing, better transportation, and new social habits. All these factors turned beer from a rural, local drink into a popular urban commodity that everyone could enjoy. The rise of cities during the Industrial Revolution truly fueled the growth of beer consumption on a scale never seen before.